Elasticsearch Online Training. Introduction to Elasticsearch, Overview and History. Elasticsearch is a powerful open-source search and analytics engine built on Apache Lucene. It's designed for horizontal scalability, making it capable of handling large volumes of data and complex queries efficiently. Here's a brief overview and history. Overview. Elasticsearch is part of the Elastic Stack, formerly Elk Stack, which includes Logstash for log data collection and Kibana for data visualization. It provides real-time search and analytics capabilities, supporting structured, unstructured, and geospatial data types. Key features include full-text search, aggregations, schema-free JSON documents, and RESTful API access. History. 2004, Shai Bano began developing Elasticsearch as a search project named Compass, later renamed to Elasticsearch. 2010, Elasticsearch was officially launched as an open-source project. 2012, Elasticsearch gained rapid adoption due to its scalability and ease of use for search and analytics. 2015, Elasticsearch evolved into a full-fledged data analytics engine, expanding beyond its original search capabilities. Present, Elasticsearch is widely used across industries for log analytics, application performance monitoring, security analytics, and more. Key concepts. Index, a collection of documents with similar characteristics. Document, a basic unit of information that can be indexed. Node, a single instance of Elasticsearch that stores data and participates in the cluster's indexing and search capabilities. Cluster, a collection of nodes that together hold entire data and provide indexing and search capabilities across all nodes. Use cases. Log analytics, storing, searching, and analyzing logs for troubleshooting and monitoring. Full-text search, powering search engines for websites and applications. Business analytics, analyzing data to gain insights and make data-driven decisions. Security analytics, detecting and investigating security threats in real time. Core concepts, indexing, documents, and types. Sure, let's break down these core concepts commonly used in various information management and search systems. Indexing. Indexing refers to the process of creating a structured representation, index, of the content of a collection of documents or data. This index allows for efficient and quick retrieval of information. In search engines, for example, indexing involves analyzing the content of web pages and organizing it based on keywords, metadata, or other relevant criteria to enable fast searching. Documents. In the context of information management and databases, a document typically refers to a unit of information or data that is self-contained and identifiable. Documents can vary widely in format and content, ranging from simple text files to complex multimedia presentations. In a NoSQL database like MongoDB, documents are analogous to rows in a relational database but are schemaless, meaning different documents in the same collection can have different structures. Types or data types. Types refer to the structure or schema that defines the organization and format of data within a system. In some contexts, such as Elasticsearch or MongoDB, types can refer to the categorization of documents within an index or collection based on their structure or purpose. For instance, in Elasticsearch, a type can represent a category of similar documents within an index, each with its own mapping or schema. Scaling Elasticsearch, clustering and sharding. Scaling Elasticsearch involves clustering and sharding, essential for managing large volumes of data and ensuring performance. Here's a breakdown of each. Clustering. Cluster, a collection of one or more Elasticsearch nodes that together hold the entire data and provide federated indexing and search capabilities across all nodes. Node, a single Elasticsearch instance that stores data and participates in the cluster's indexing and querying. Benefits of clustering. High availability. If one node fails, others can still serve requests. Horizontal scalability. Nodes can be added to handle more data and queries. Load distribution. Queries are distributed across nodes, enhancing performance. Configuration. Ensure each node has sufficient resources, CPU, RAM, disk, based on workload. Configure network settings to allow nodes to communicate effectively. Use discovery mechanisms, like multicast or unicast, to allow nodes to discover each other and form a cluster. Sharding. Shard, a subset of data in an Elasticsearch index, where each shard is a fully functional and independent index that can be hosted on any node in the cluster. Primary and replica shards. Primary shard contains the original data and is responsible for indexing and serving search requests. Replica shard, a copy of the primary shard, providing redundancy and improving search performance by distributing query load. Benefits of sharding. Scalability allows distributing data across nodes, enabling horizontal scaling. Fault tolerance. If a node fails, replicas can serve data, ensuring availability. Performance. Parallel search and indexing operations across shards improve performance. Real-time analytics with Elasticsearch. Real-time analytics with Elasticsearch can be quite powerful due to its ability to index and search data in near real time. Here's how it generally works. Indexing. Elasticsearch indexes data as soon as it's ingested. This means that data is quickly made searchable and available for analysis almost immediately after it's stored. Search. Elasticsearch provides a powerful search API that allows you to query indexed data in real time. This is crucial for applications requiring quick access to the most current data. Aggregations. Elasticsearch supports aggregations, which allow you to compute metrics, statistical summaries, and other analytics over your data. These aggregations can be performed in real time over large datasets. Visualizations. Tools like Kibana, which integrates closely with Elasticsearch, provide real-time visualization capabilities. This allows you to create dashboards and reports that update as new data is indexed. Scalability. Elasticsearch is horizontally scalable, meaning you can add more nodes to your cluster to handle increasing data volumes and query loads. This scalability ensures that real-time analytics performance remains consistent even as your data grows. Use cases. Real-time analytics with Elasticsearch is used in various applications such as log monitoring and analysis, operational metrics monitoring, security analytics, and more. Its speed and flexibility make it suitable for handling large volumes of streaming data. Elasticsearch in data analytics pipelines. Elasticsearch is a powerful tool in data analytics pipelines due to its capabilities in real-time data indexing, search, and analysis. It's commonly used for log and event data analysis. Elasticsearch can ingest and index large volumes of log and event data in real time, allowing for quick search and analysis. This is crucial for monitoring applications, infrastructure, and security. Full-text search. It provides efficient full-text search capabilities across large datasets, making it ideal for applications where text search is a primary requirement. Time series data analysis. Elasticsearch can handle time series data efficiently, making it suitable for applications such as IoT data analytics, monitoring, and performance analysis. Aggregation and analytics. It supports aggregations and analytics on indexed data, enabling complex queries and calculations on aggregated metrics. Scalability and resilience. Elasticsearch is designed to be highly scalable and resilient, capable of handling large clusters distributed across multiple nodes. Integration with other tools. It integrates well with other tools commonly used in data analytics pipelines, such as Kibana for visualization, Logstash for data processing, and Beats for lightweight data shippers. Challenges and solutions in Elasticsearch deployments. Deploying Elasticsearch can come with several challenges, but there are effective solutions available. Scaling and performance. Challenge. Elasticsearch performance can degrade under heavy loads or inadequate scaling. Solution. Implement horizontal scaling by adding more nodes. Use sharding and replica configurations to distribute data and workload efficiently. Monitor cluster health and performance metrics regularly. Data management and indexing. Challenge. Efficient indexing and managing large volumes of data. Solution. Optimize mappings and index settings for better search performance. Use bulk indexing for faster data ingestion. Regularly optimize indices, merge segments, and manage document versions to improve query speeds. Resilience and fault tolerance. Challenge. Ensuring high availability and fault tolerance. Solution. Configure replicas for indices to handle node failures. Use Elasticsearch's built-in features like Snapshot and Restore for backups. Implement cluster monitoring and alerting to detect issues early and automate recovery processes. Security. Challenge. Securing Elasticsearch clusters and data. Solution. Enable transport layer security, TLS, for node-to-node and client communication. Use role-based access control, RBAC, and authentication mechanisms like LDAP or Active Directory integration provided by XPack, now part of ElasticStack, or OpenDistro for Elasticsearch. Monitoring and logging. Challenge. Monitoring cluster health, performance metrics, and logging. Solution. Use tools like Kibana for real-time monitoring and visualizations. Set up Elasticsearch's monitoring APIs or integrate with monitoring solutions like Prometheus or Grafana. Centralize logs using Elasticsearch itself or tools like Filebeat for shipping logs. Future trends in Elasticsearch development. Future trends in Elasticsearch development are focusing on several key areas to enhance its capabilities and meet evolving user needs. Enhanced analytics capabilities. Elasticsearch is increasingly integrating advanced analytics features directly into its core functionality. This includes more powerful aggregations, machine learning-driven anomaly detection, and deeper integration with Kibana for visualizing complex data relationships. Real-time search and analysis. There's a growing demand for real-time search and analysis capabilities. Future versions are likely to improve indexing speed, query performance, and scalability to handle larger volumes of real-time data ingestion. Cloud-native and Kubernetes integration. With the shift towards cloud-native architectures, Elasticsearch is focusing on better integration with Kubernetes and other container orchestration platforms. This includes easier deployment, scaling, and management in cloud environments. Security enhancements. Security remains a critical concern. Future updates are expected to enhance role-based access control, RBAC, audit logging, and encryption capabilities to ensure data privacy and compliance with regulatory requirements. Natural language processing, NLP. Integrating NLP capabilities directly into Elasticsearch for more intelligent search and query understanding is a promising area. This could enable better handling of natural language queries and automatic categorization of content. Performance optimization. Continuous efforts are being made to optimize performance across different use cases, from high-throughput logging to complex analytical queries. This includes improvements in shard management, caching strategies, and query optimization techniques. Ecosystem expansion. Elasticsearch's ecosystem is expanding with more plugins and integrations. Future trends include deeper integration with other data platforms, seamless data movement across different systems, and interoperability with emerging technologies like GraphQL. Operational simplicity. There's a focus on improving the operational simplicity of Elasticsearch clusters. This includes better monitoring tools, automated scaling based on workload patterns, and self-healing capabilities to minimize downtime. Data lifecycle management. More sophisticated data lifecycle management features are expected, including automated data tiering, intelligent data aging policies, and better support for managing large-scale data retention requirements. Community and open source innovation. Elasticsearch's open source community plays a crucial role in driving innovation. Future trends will likely continue to harness community contributions to introduce new features, enhancements, and integrations. What is Elasticsearch and why is it important? Elasticsearch is a distributed, RESTful search and analytics engine built on top of Apache Lucene. It's designed for horizontal scalability, meaning it can easily grow from handling small to extremely large-scale operations. Here's why Elasticsearch is important. Search capabilities. Elasticsearch provides powerful full-text search capabilities. It indexes data in real time and allows for complex queries, making it ideal for applications requiring fast and accurate search results. Analytics. Beyond search, Elasticsearch offers robust analytics capabilities. It supports aggregations, which allow you to perform analytics such as computing metrics, generating histograms, and more, in real time on large volumes of data. Scalability. Elasticsearch is designed to scale horizontally, meaning you can add more nodes to your cluster to handle increased data and query loads. This scalability makes it suitable for applications that need to grow seamlessly as data volumes and user demands increase. Speed. It is known for its speed in both indexing and searching operations. This is crucial for applications that require real-time data retrieval and analysis, such as log monitoring, security analytics, and e-commerce product search. Use cases. Elasticsearch is widely used for various use cases including log analytics, application monitoring, geospatial data analysis, enterprise search, and more. Its flexibility and versatility make it popular across different industries and applications. How does Elasticsearch handle search queries efficiently? Elasticsearch handles search queries efficiently through several key mechanisms. Inverted index. Elasticsearch uses an inverted index, which is optimized for fast full-text searches. This index stores a list of all unique terms in the corpus and maps each term to the documents that contain it. Sharding. Elasticsearch partitions data into shards, allowing it to distribute and parallelize operations across multiple nodes in a cluster. This improves both search performance and scalability. Query DSL. Domain-specific language. Elasticsearch provides a powerful query DSL that allows users to construct complex queries. This DSL supports various types of queries, including full-text, term, match, range, and more, enabling precise control over search behaviors. Scoring. Elasticsearch uses relevance scoring to rank search results based on how well they match the query criteria. This scoring is influenced by factors like term frequency, inverse document frequency, and field length normalization. Caching. Elasticsearch employs various caches, like the filter cache and field data cache, to store intermediate results and frequently accessed data, reducing the need to recompute results for repeated queries. Distributed search execution. When a search query is executed, Elasticsearch coordinates the query across all relevant shards in the cluster and aggregates the results. This distributed approach ensures that searches are performed efficiently even when dealing with large datasets spread across multiple nodes. Aggregations. Beyond search, Elasticsearch supports aggregations, facet search, which allow users to summarize and compute statistics on their data. Aggregations can be combined with search queries to obtain insightful analytics results. What are the key features of Elasticsearch? Elasticsearch is a powerful distributed search and analytics engine known for its scalability, speed, and real-time search capabilities. Some key features include distributed and scalable. Elasticsearch is designed to be distributed from the ground up, allowing it to scale horizontally by adding more nodes to the cluster. This architecture ensures high availability and fault tolerance. Full-text search. It supports full-text search with near real-time results. This is essential for applications requiring quick search responses on large volumes of data. Schema-free JSON documents. Elasticsearch stores data in JSON format and does not require a predefined schema. This flexibility simplifies data management and allows for dynamic schema changes. Real-time data. It supports real-time data ingestion and querying, making it suitable for use cases that require up-to-date information and analytics. Analytics and aggregations. Elasticsearch provides powerful analytics capabilities through aggregations, enabling users to derive insights from their data through metrics, summaries, and statistical analysis. RESTful API. Elasticsearch exposes a RESTful API for interacting with the cluster, making it easy to index, search, and manage data programmatically. Multitenancy and security. It offers features for multitenancy, role-based access control, RBAC, and authentication mechanisms to secure data and cluster operations. Scalable search and filtering. Elasticsearch supports complex search queries, filtering, and faceting, allowing users to perform advanced searches and retrieve relevant results efficiently. High availability and resilience. It includes built-in features like automatic shard rebalancing, replication, and failover mechanisms to ensure data availability and resilience against hardware failures. Integration ecosystem. Elasticsearch integrates seamlessly with other components of the Elastic Stack, formerly ELK Stack, including Logstash for data processing and Kibana for visualization and monitoring. How does Elasticsearch handle scalability and performance? Elasticsearch handles scalability and performance through several key mechanisms. Distributed architecture. Elasticsearch is designed to operate in a distributed environment where data is distributed across multiple nodes in a cluster. This allows it to horizontally scale by adding more nodes to the cluster, thereby increasing storage capacity and query throughput. Sharding. Elasticsearch indexes are divided into shards, which are basic units of scalability. Each shard is a leucine index, and multiple shards can be distributed across nodes in the cluster. This allows Elasticsearch to distribute and parallelize data storage and query processing. Replication. Elasticsearch provides data redundancy and high availability through index replication. Each shard has configurable replica shards, which are copies of the primary shard. Replicas provide fault tolerance, improve search performance by distributing queries across replicas, and allow for scaling read operations. Node roles and responsibilities. Elasticsearch allows nodes to be designated with specific roles, example, master-eligible nodes, data nodes, client nodes. This separation of responsibilities helps optimize cluster performance and resource allocation. Cluster coordination. Elasticsearch employs a master-eligible node to coordinate cluster-wide activities such as shard allocation, index creation, and rebalancing. This helps in maintaining cluster stability and performance. Query execution. Elasticsearch optimizes query execution by using inverted indices for fast full-text search and relevance scoring. It also supports complex queries, aggregations, and filtering, all of which are optimized for performance. Monitoring and tuning. Elasticsearch provides monitoring APIs and integrates with tools like Elasticsearch Monitoring, formerly XPack, for cluster health monitoring, performance metrics, and alerting. This helps in identifying bottlenecks and optimizing cluster performance. Scalability best practices. To ensure optimal scalability and performance, Elasticsearch best practices include proper shard sizing, index life cycle management, hardware considerations like SSDs for faster I/O, and network tuning to minimize latency. What are the advantages of using Elasticsearch over traditional databases? Using Elasticsearch offers several advantages over traditional databases, especially in scenarios where fast and efficient searching, querying, and data retrieval are critical. Schema-free JSON documents. Elasticsearch stores data in a schema-free JSON format, making it flexible and easy to index and search unstructured or semi-structured data without the need to define a rigid schema beforehand. Full-text search capabilities. Elasticsearch provides powerful full-text search capabilities, including fuzzy matching, stemming, and relevance scoring. This makes it ideal for applications requiring fast and accurate search results, such as e-commerce platforms, log analysis, and content management systems. Real-time data. Elasticsearch supports real-time indexing, allowing updates to be instantly searchable. This is particularly beneficial for applications where data is constantly changing, such as social media monitoring or live analytics. Distributed and scalable. Elasticsearch is designed to be distributed, allowing it to handle large volumes of data and queries across multiple nodes. It automatically manages data distribution, replication, and rebalancing, providing scalability and high availability. Aggregation and analytics. Elasticsearch supports aggregations for performing complex analytics over large datasets. It can compute metrics, histograms, and statistical summaries in real time, making it suitable for generating insights from data. Ecosystem and integration. Elasticsearch is part of the ELK stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, and integrates well with other tools and platforms like Beats for data shipping, Logstash for data processing, and Kibana for data visualization and exploration. Document-oriented model. It uses a document-oriented model, which is natural for many use cases such as content management, where each document corresponds to a piece of information that can be indexed and searched independently. High performance. Elasticsearch is optimized for speed, with indexing and querying operations that are typically faster compared to traditional relational databases, especially when dealing with large-scale data. Text analysis and multilingual support. It includes built-in capabilities for text analysis, supporting multiple languages and handling various types of text data effectively. Community and support. Elasticsearch has a large and active community, providing extensive documentation, tutorials, and support forums, which can be beneficial for learning and troubleshooting. Why choose ProExcellency for Elasticsearch online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Elasticsearch online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency typically offers courses taught by experienced professionals who have practical, hands-on experience with Elasticsearch. This ensures that you receive training that is not only theoretical but also grounded in real-world applications. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs often cover a comprehensive curriculum that includes all essential aspects of Elasticsearch, from basic concepts to advanced topics like querying, indexing strategies, performance optimization, and more. Interactive learning. Online training with ProExcellency is often interactive, featuring practical examples, exercises, and projects. This interactive approach helps reinforce learning and ensures that you can apply what you learn in real scenarios. Flexibility. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and convenience, fitting your learning schedule around your existing commitments. Certification preparation. If certification is your goal, ProExcellency courses may include preparation for Elasticsearch certification exams, equipping you with the knowledge and skills needed to pass these exams successfully. Support and resources. They often provide additional resources, such as access to forums, community support, and materials like ebooks or white papers, enhancing your learning experience. Thank you.